Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, a link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come say hello and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.48 trillion. We're down 2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 44%. BTC dominance is not exact on CoinGecko, so as of recording this video right now, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 45.88%. But now if we are looking at the overall markets, guys, we are starting to see some mild red across the board, and that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin has seen a retracement compared to where it was trading yesterday. So nothing to be getting super excited about right now. We will get into the Bitcoin charts later on. But yeah, nothing to get super excited about as of now because we still need Bitcoin price to hit specific price targets for us to get bullish once again. But today, guys, I want to look further into Vechain. Alright, my Vechain family, if we are looking at Vechain's price right now, we are currently trading at 0.089 cents. We are down 1.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we are up 2.8% in Bitcoin comparative in the last 24 hours. Vechain's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at that top 22 spot. Market cap right now is $5.83 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is approaching that $1 billion mark. Currently, we're sitting at $952 million 24-hour trading volume. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Vechain, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 933.3%. So let's not tend to forget that when we are looking at the prices of Vechain. In the last 7 days, we are up 25.5%, and we'll take that. And so far, everything is looking not as bad as everyone is, thinking it is. But now let's get right into the content. I want to share some things with you guys, and then we will jump into the price analysis right away. So Ian Reach came out and posted this on his Twitter. Vechain X State Affirmation. Vechain was recently awarded a AAA rating certificate by the CAPC and the National Quality and Credit Double Excellence Demonstration Unit by the China Quality and Credit Research Association. And this is what it looks like. And it just makes me super happy to see Vechain deserve the credit it really truly deserves. And this really does make me really happy. So I would like to congratulate the Vechain team for receiving this award along with the Vechain community, and I believe this is just the absolute beginning for a project like Vechain. And also, I wanted to share this with you guys. This is an updated Vechain Thor ecosystem, and as you guys can see, we are seeing a major expansion over the last few months, and I believe this is only going to get bigger and bigger. There are some of the biggest well-known names around the world, such as Walmart, China. We're seeing BMW, we're seeing DHL. The list goes on, and I believe it's only going to get bigger as time goes by. So I wanted to share this with you guys so you guys get a better perspective as to what exactly Vechain is doing. It's not only just an ordinary coin that people are just buying up on, Coinbase and stuff like that. I'm sorry, we're not even listed on Coinbase. Fingers crossed, everyone's waiting for that. But it's not like just an ordinary coin everyone's buying on Binance and stuff like that. It's a coin that actually has a real working product, and it's actually bringing mass adoption to the crypto space. So that just makes me super bullish, and I believe this is just the absolute beginning for Vechain. Alright, now let's get right into the charts and see what's exactly going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So this is the 4-hour chart. You know what? Let's go on the daily chart so we can get a better picture for you guys. Alright, so let's zoom this thing out for you guys. Alright, So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day right now, and thank you for stopping by my channel to listen to the updates. So let's get right into it. So as you guys can see, we did see Vechain go all the way up to 9.4 cents just the other day, but we have been unable to break above this level of resistance that I have been talking about, that we need Vechain to break above as soon as possible, and that is around this 10 cents mark. We were very close, and I would not be surprised if we do break above it, as long as Bitcoin does not go towards the downside. One thing that is favoring for altcoins right now is that BTC dominance is finally going towards the downside. As you guys can see, this is exactly what we want to see, especially if you are an altcoin holder. We did see Bitcoin dominance skyrocket over the last 2 weeks, and that was mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin was on the bearish end of the spectrum. And I'm not saying it's on the bullish end right now, but it is looking better compared to what it was just a week or two ago. We did see BTC dominance climb all the way up to 48.34%, and that meant that altcoins were still lagging behind Bitcoin, when even though if Bitcoin did make a move towards the upside, we were not seeing altcoins outpace Bitcoin. But that is not the case as of now. But one thing you guys want to keep in mind is that let's not let this fool you. Let's not let this part fool you. It does not mean, oh my god, BTC dominance is dropping. We're about to see a massive altcoin rally. No. That is absolutely not the case. We still need Bitcoin to hit specific price targets, and then we will be able to tell what is going on. This could be basically a fake out towards the downside, and we could possibly see BTC dominance spike once again towards the upside if Bitcoin decides to plummet down and see low, go possibly below 30,000. So you know what? Let's look at Bitcoin charts briefly, and then we will go into VeChain charts, because at the end of the day, you guys know all the altcoins are correlated with Bitcoin. So we need to be looking at Bitcoin charts very closely every single day in order to see what will possibly happen for the altcoins. Looking at Bitcoin's price right now, we are currently trading at $34,900. And as you guys can see, we are just having a very hard time to stay above this level of resistance at this $36,200 mark. If you are a regular viewer on my channel and have been watching my videos over the last 1 month and a half, you guys know how crucial this level really is for Bitcoin. You guys can see we wicked towards the upside, but we were unable to close above it. And still, we need to get above $36,200 level for me personally to feel that we are on the safe end of the spectrum. But as of now, that is not the case, because we are below that support level. Right now, we are at this $34,950 level, but you guys know the last live support for Bitcoin is around this $33,300 level, and if we break below this, guys, then the door is open for going below 30,000. So let's keep that in mind when we are looking at Bitcoin charts. I'm not going to come out and spread false hope for you guys and say, you know what, guys, we are going straight up to the moon. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. We're going to be looking at all the scenarios, and right now that is not the case unless we do close above $36,200 mark for Bitcoin. Now comes the question, what could possibly happen for VeChain in the next week or so? So a lot of analysts are coming out and saying that the month of July will be the start for the next leg up going into Q4. We might see the parabolic bull cycle that we did see back in 2017. That's just going by historic patterns. But now you need to keep in mind that history does not necessarily need to repeat itself. So we might not see the parabolic bull cycle that we did see for altcoins back in 2017 this year. But again, everything is going as according to history. So we do need to keep that in mind right now. So right now, as of now, guys, short-term target for VeChain for myself is for us to get back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level and break above this 13 cents mark. But that is quite a stretch as of now, because first we need to get above this 10 cents mark. We need more buying pressure to kick in. We're approaching that $1 billion mark, but we still need more buying pressure to kick in for us to break above it and actually move towards the upside. If we are bringing out the measuring tool for you guys can see Vechain, for us to get back above to that level that I'm talking about, this 13 cents mark, that is a 46.29% move towards the upside. That is very, very possible if Bitcoin does go above 38,000, and because that's where the confirmation for myself is that we are in the bullish zone. As of now, we are quite away from that to happen. We need to get to $38,500 mark for me to get that confirmation that yes, markets are indeed looking like they're bullish and headed towards the upside. If that happened and we are sitting at current, so please keep this in mind. If we are sitting at these levels for BTC dominance, or if we even go below, let's say 44%, then yes, we could possibly see a Vechain along with other altcoins move up very, very fast. But now keep this in mind. Let's say BTC dominance spikes up back to these levels, then we might not see as fast of a move towards the upside. But again, this is part of the market cycles that you guys need to keep in mind. We will have times where we'll see BTC dominance skyrocket, and we'll have also times where we will see BTC dominance go towards the downside. That's when the altcoin rally does tend to begin. Right now, we should not be having a conversation regarding an altcoin rally because BTC dominance is still quite very high. So I will bring you guys updates every single day to see where the market currently sits. But as of now, altcoin rally is nothing close unless we do see BTC dominance fall very sharply around these price levels. I'm sorry, these levels over here. So my current target for Vechain is to break above this 10 cents mark and gradually move towards the upside, and 13 cents is the next price target. I'm a still strong believer that this year alone we will see newer highs for Vechain along with some other altcoins. Because you guys can see we did have a nice consolidation phase. Markets needed some sort of sideways momentum to occur because we were seeing markets going just straight up, gains after gains after gains being made, and we were in the oversold territory. But now I believe we have consolidated for a month and a half, almost 2 months now, and I believe the next leg up should be starting either in the month of July or August, and we will see some newer highs going into Q4 if we were to see that parabolic move that we did see back in 2017. Don't underestimate the power of Vechain, guys. I have mentioned in the earlier video, Vechain is solving a real world problem. And on top of that, it actually has a working product that organizations are using. And that makes me super bullish. The community is growing at an exponential rate, along with big influencers are talking about Vechain. So everything is there for it to succeed. We just need to have patience. Long-term perspective, guys, if Vechain continues to do what they're doing, you cannot put a price target on its future. So please keep that in mind when you are looking at the prices. And let's not get greedy. If we were to see a move towards the upside happen in Q4, guys, let's not get greedy this time. Ask yourself a question when you are seeing very big profits being made, not only in Vechain, in any other altcoin. Don't get greedy. Ask yourself a question: is the profit that I'm sitting on is too much? If that is the case, scale some out, and when we do see the correction occur, or even if it's not correction, you could use that money for your personal use. I cannot stress this enough. I'm in it for the long haul for Vechain, guys. In the next 3 to 5 years, we will be looking back at these prices and laughing at the prices of Vechain. Because at the end of the day, you do not get rich overnight. Please keep that in mind. You need to have patience in this market. And as long as you have done your due diligence, that's the very, very important, and you have done your research, and you have invested what you can afford to lose, patience will be your number one key to follow. Forget about looking at the charts 24/7 because that is going to get you nowhere. And I'm sorry to say that to you, it's just pure waste of time if you're looking at the charts 24/7. Trust me, I have done that, and I look back now and I wish I did not do that because that is a pure waste of time. Go enjoy life. Just delete your Blockfolio app and just have patience, guys. And especially if you're in it for the long haul. If you're in it for the long haul, there's no reason for you to be monitoring the Bitcoin charts along with altcoin charts 24/7 because that is pointless. And also, guys, And I think this is it for today's update. Let me know what you guys think and where you guys could be seeing Vechain go at the end of July. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And please, guys, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This does help my videos get to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And thank you to each and every one of you guys for always supporting me. All my viewers, I love each and every one of you guys. The ZX family, you guys know who you are. And remember, I do this for you guys. I love you guys. Once again, thank you so much. And guys, stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I think I'm going to end it here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.